Hi, I hope you are safe and sound. Before we get started, choose a place to do your breathing exercise. It could be in your bed, on your living room floor, or in a comfortable chair. Don't force it. This can make you feel more stressed. Try to do it at the same time, once or twice a day. Wear comfortable clothes. Let's begin. Close your eyes if they're open. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in. As you do that, imagine that the air is filled with a sense of peace and calm. Try to feel it throughout your body. Breathe out. While you are doing it, imagine that the air leaves with your stress and tension. Use a word or phrase with your breath. As you breathe in, say in your mind, I breathe in peace and calm. As you breathe out, say in your mind, I breathe out stress and tension. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue a few more times. Today, we'll introduce Transcendental Meditation, short for TM. There's many ways of doing the meditation mantra. We'll utilize the advanced techniques. Shri Ang Nama. Shri is oh, most beautiful. Ang is the Hindu goddess Saraswati. Nama is I bow down. Shri Ang Nama is our mantra for today. Sit in a comfortable chair. Keep your back and neck straight. Close your eyes. Begin with 30 seconds of quiet. Ease into the mantra, a meaningless vibration sound. Shri Ang Nama. Repeat the mantra in your head at no particular rhythm. Don't think about your breathing. Let the mantra draw your attention, but allow your thoughts to flow by. You may experience moments of transcendence, a pleasant feeling of restful alertness. meditate for 20 minutes. Take 3 mantra-free minutes before opening your eyes. Practice twice daily, ideally before breakfast and again before dinner. We need regular experience of transcending, coming back to ourselves, because it creates a far deeper state of rest. Sleep is an unconscious process where the body will gradually experience deeper stages of rest. During TN, we consciously direct the mind inward and allow the mind to gravitate to a state of complete inner silence, which, if allowed, the mind will do very quickly. This process will also pull the body into a state of deep relaxation, far deeper than sleep.